Ever hit a pickleball shot and wished it had just a little more twist, a little more sneaky spin that could completely throw your opponent off balance? If that sounds familiar, you're in the perfect place. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we break down the gear serious pickleball players actually care about. If you've been struggling with mishits, edge interference, or you're simply looking for a faster, cleaner swing on the court, an edgeless pickleball paddle can completely change your game. They're built for smoother aerodynamics, bigger sweet spots, and ridiculous control. After the video, don't forget to check the updated Amazon Best Deal links in the description below for each paddle. Prices can change daily, so grab them while they're hot. All right, let's jump right into the lineup. Number 1. Jula Edgeless Pickleball Paddle. Let's kick things off with the powerhouse in the edgeless category. The Jula Edgeless Paddle is built for players who crave speed, control, and laser-like precision. It's even endorsed by 5-time national champion Tyson McGuffin, so you already know it's built for competitive energy. This paddle uses a double armor carbon fiber construction that boosts durability while expanding the strike zone. That means fewer mishits when things get chaotic at the kitchen line. The frame stays feather-light, giving you more whip during quick counters and overhead putaways. A multi-stage sandblasted texture adds long-lasting grit, letting you shape spin on drives, rolls, and tricky cross-court slices. The elongated face gives tennis converts extra reach and time to attack angles. At just 7.8 ounces and measuring 16.5 by 7.5, its balance feels nimble, quick enough for fast exchanges, stable enough for resets. It's even NFC-enabled through the Jula Connect app, letting you register your gear and unlock exclusive content plus a 12-month warranty. US APA approved, stylishly built, this paddle is engineered for players who want premium touch and explosive finesse in every rally. Number 2. UveMove Edgeless Pickleball Paddle. Next is the UveMove, a paddle that dives deep into engineering to create raw, tournament-ready performance. The face is crafted using T700 aerospace-grade carbon fiber, which offers dramatically higher tensile strength than generic carbon. Translation: explosive power you can feel. Because the paddle face and core are fused together through thermoforming, you eliminate glue failure, hovering dead spots, and early phase delamination, common problems in cheaper builds. It stays consistent even after 250,000 hits, which is insane longevity for competitive athletes. A triangular reinforcement joint strengthens the throat and distributes impact evenly, reducing injuries and vibration. The 6-layer ultralight carbon stack increases the sweet spot by over 20%, and the 380 grit Teflon surface delivers some of the nastiest spin available in this price range. At 7.76 ounces, it finds that perfect middle ground between power and control. And with a 16mm polypropylene core inside, you can dial in both touch and energy on command. For tournament-driven players who refuse to compromise, this model absolutely stands out. Number 3. ATU Edgeless Pickleball Paddle. Now for the ATU, a paddle designed for players who thrive in fast, tactical rallies. One of its most unique features is its aero throat architecture, which funnels airflow around the paddle to reduce drag. That means quicker reactions at the kitchen and faster acceleration on counterpunch volleys. The micro-textured carbon face grips the ball beautifully, giving you wicked spin on dinks, drops, and aggressive cross-court slices. Built with 3KT700, you get a stiff and responsive surface, great for clean contact and consistent placement. Inside, a honeycomb polymer core works with a multi-layered carbon layout to soften the impact just enough to reduce hand fatigue without sacrificing power. Its elongated shape expands reach, making it easier to pick off low drives and punish players who leave shots floating. For advanced athletes who live on precision, this paddle delivers finesse, speed, and buttery control, exactly what modern pickleball requires. Number 4. CPX Edgeless Pickleball Paddle. For players who want lightweight speed without sacrificing punch, the CPX paddle is a serious contender. At 8.2 ounces, it hits a sweet balance, light enough for quick wrist flicks but hefty enough to drive through volleys. The carbon fiber frame boosts durability during intense rallies, and the edgeless build keeps your swing path clean and interruption-free. You'll feel the difference immediately when absorbing power at the net or countering overhead drive shots. A textured face gives you strong spin control, while the 4.1-inch grip offers comfortable cushioning, perfect for marathon sessions. This paddle shines in hand speed situations, fast exchanges, late resets, blocking at the kitchen line. For experienced players wanting enhanced touch with a modern aerodynamic profile, CPX delivers consistent, reliable performance. Number 5. Kasika Edgeless Pickleball Paddle. Finally, for beginners or casual players, the Kasika Edgeless Paddle is a fantastic upgrade that doesn't break the bank. The edgeless design helps newer players connect cleaner and reduces those frustrating frame miss hits. The T700 carbon face pairs with a 13mm polypropylene core to blend controlled pop with surprisingly good touch. At 8 ounces, maneuverability feels natural, especially at the net while practicing dinks and soft blocks. The cushioned, tacky grip reduces palm fatigue and helps maintain control when sweaty matches heat up. You also get a zippered protective cover, keeping your paddle face fresh and chip-free. It's simple, balanced, lightweight, and forgiving, perfect for skill development and consistent gameplay. For new players entering the sport, the value here is hard to beat. And that wraps up today's list of the best edgeless pickleball paddles you should check out in 2025. Which paddle matches your playstyle? Power, spin, control, or all-around balance? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you understand the difference an edgeless paddle can make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our future gear breakdowns. All current Amazon Best Deal links are available in the description below. Check today's pricing and grab discounts while they last. Thanks for watching, stay sharp at the kitchen line, and I'll see you in the next one.